Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add text and shapes in Synthesia and use them to make your AI videos clearer, more organized, and visually engaging. First, open your Synthesia project and select the scene where you want to add text or shapes. Before adding any elements, think about what information you want viewers to notice. To add text, open the text or design elements available in the editor and select a text option. Enter the message you want to display on the screen. Keep your text short and easy to read. Instead of placing an entire paragraph on the screen, use short headings, key points, or important information that supports your narration. Next, adjust the position and size of the text so it fits naturally within your scene. Make sure it doesn't cover the AI avatar or other important visuals. You can also use different text sizes to create a clear visual hierarchy. Use larger text for headings and smaller text for supporting information. Now, add shapes to your scene. Shapes can be useful for highlighting information, creating visual sections, or making your presentation look more organized. Choose a shape that fits your design and place it where you need it. You can use rectangles, circles, lines, or other available shapes depending on the type of content you're creating. For example, you can place a shape behind important text to make it stand out. You can also use shapes to create simple callouts or highlight specific areas of an image. When using multiple elements, keep your design clean and consistent. Avoid adding too many shapes or different text styles because they can make the scene difficult to follow. Next, preview the scene and check how the text and shapes work with the narration. Make sure important information appears at the right time. If necessary, adjust the position, size, or timing of each element until the scene looks balanced. You can repeat the same process throughout your project. Try to use similar text styles and shapes across your scenes so the entire video